So we're at Dundee Beach this week. It's about an hour and a half from Darwin, and this spot is amazing. Have a look at that. Free camp right on the beach. Sunsets over the water. You can leave your boat on the beach. We've got the boat in for the first time, went fishing, exploring, and this water is just magic. Saw a croc, huge croc, couple of crocs actually. And you can just walk along the beach to get to the pub. What more do you need?
So when you come into free camp at Dundee Beach, don't turn left at the caravan park, just go straight through. There's a bit of a dip, just watch your back of your caravan, it might scrape. We were able to lower the air suspension from the car to raise it up, and then just stick right. It's so much better on the right. If you take the left-hand track, you're going to scratch the hell out of your van, and you might not even get through, so stay right.
Look at that. Does it get any better than this?
I really don't know if it does, to be quite honest.
Fire, lines out,
The boat there ready to go.
sunset. It doesn't. This is it. We found it.
Yeah. So our neighbour just come over and told us that he'd hooked a croc off his fishing rod off the beach here. So I sent the drone up and we found him. So there's definitely crocs on Dundee Beach. Don't swim in here.
So we're out on our first boat adventure.
Yeah, and I nearly caught a fish.
Yeah, you did. Had bites already, haven't you?
Yeah, but maybe you got it let it go.
And Andy just found her spot.
But it let it go.
Let's catch some fish.
Yeah.
You got it, girl. Oh!
Oh, that was a big spank.
That was big, yeah.
How big was it?
It was huge. Tommy's on.
Oh my god.
Baby shark.
Oh!
That's cute.
make a living from working in
Have you been
the
slapped in the face by a
woods.
shark?
You can bet I've been sitting pretty good high on a hill, looking at a field
Bye-bye.
downwind.
Bit small.
If I can make a nickel off of turning in bass, never worry about the price of gas. I've been wheeling and dealing and sitting
There we
there
go.
reeling them in.
Better size shark, isn't it?
Hunting, fishing, loving every day. That's the prayer that a country boy prays. Thank God he made me this way. Hunting, fishing, loving every day.
So fishing in the territory just brings a whole nother fear factor to sitting in a boat in the middle of the ocean. There's a croc probably like 100 meters away, and now it's disappeared. So I get the good job of pulling the anchor in now that the crocodile's disappeared. Mums always get the good jobs.
When my baby wants to roll with me, throws a
Oh, no, he hasn't.
climbs in a tree.
Oh, you haven't
Get
got
her
it.
hair in my hat, she's ready to go.
Keep going. Keep going. And another one. Whoa, that's
Loving every day.
You gotta kick it.
That a country boy prays.
Good luck.
Thank God he made me this way.
Throw it in.
And fishing
Big throw.
and loving every
Woo.
day. Early in the morning.
Alright, let's find the mama.
Late in the evening, I'm getting ready to
Wind it in, Andy.
the river paid, honey.
Wind it in. Go, 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 go.
Andy.
You got a fish, Andy.
You got a fish.
Good job, Baba. We have found a little inlet that at low tide only you can see the whole thing, and there's no way a croc could be sitting in there. So we've come down to have a little bit of a dip.
Right, I'll show you how we do food on the road. This one's really easy. It's like a mince type recipe that is like a secret of my mum's. She's gonna kill me, but I'll show you anyways. I've got all the stuff here ready, but I'll chuck up a list anyways for you. But it's bloody delicious. It's the best. Anyone who knows my mum's rissoles, this is the recipe. And it is so good. So I'll just mix it up in a kilo batch. So a kilo of mince. That'll get you like 2 or 3 days worth of feed, so you can just chuck it in the fridge in a Snaplock bag. And yeah, it's so easy on the road. You just get it out, cook it up, you're done. Rissoles, or you know, lasagna, or like spaghetti bolognese, which is what we're doing tonight. So I won't bore you too much, but I'll speed it up. I'll throw it all in and show you how it works out. Righto, mix it all up and you're good to go. You can also use Vegemite instead of Marmite, but I reckon Marmite's the way to go, so much better. The missus would disagree, but she can make it, but she won't. Then yeah, just grab out as much as you need for whatever meal you're doing and keep the rest for another day. And awesome, easy meal, which on the road is what you need. Easier the better. Finished product, have a look.
The billy is the best way to cook pasta. You don't have to strain it. It literally strains itself. Fair enough? Let's have a crack.
How does it go, babe?
Nailed it.
Yay.
Get another view.
Yummy.
Never gets old.
So Tom's been wanting to build a pool next to camp, like at the front in the sand with like a tarp and stuff, and filling it up on high tide because we can't swim in the water because there's crocs and it's bloody hot. So he's just talked to the construction guys next to the pub.
Got my pool.
It's in the water.
Yeah, you getting all the water?
We have to swim in there.
Yeah,
this
swim in there.
Adds a bit to the end of the work, yep.
Looking good. Have a go at this wanker.
Fuck.
You've done well, hun.
Just enjoying a beer in my pool with my dog. I'm just out cutting a bit of firewood with trusty Makita chainsaw. And as I was doing it, I come across this little baby frill neck lizard. He was just hiding in the bush right there. I nearly shot him, the poor bugger. I'll take him back to the kids to have a look and then we'll let him go. Yeah, awesome.
Oh,
How cool is that? First one I've ever seen in the wild. Love it.
there it goes. What is going on here?
Jeffrey? George?
Okay.
And Meg.
Okay.
Friends.
And what are they playing?
They're playing soccer in there. Thank you.
So we went into Darwin River Tavern yesterday, and while we were there, a bit of a fire cropped up, and they ended up putting it out with a big frame loader, but it must have jumped, and then it went absolutely mad and nearly took out the caravan park attached to it. We've got some pretty good footage of flames and it getting real big. It was a very hot day with a big wind that was blowing up. Ended up being a bad combo. They had planes flying over, dropping water very close to us. It was unreal.
To the pub. Fires come ripping through here and these helicopters need to get the out of here. Shit. Oh my god. Oh. Wow. Old mate on the loader is just working overtime, trying to stop this fire coming into the camp. These guys are pub employees, jumped on the back of the tanker. They just loaded up the tanker. They're just trying to protect the pub and the camp. Oh, the flames are coming out from the back. Oh god. It is. But there's these birds, they're called brown falcons or firebirds, and they all hover around like the outside of where the fire is, and they wait for all the wildlife to come scurrying out, I guess, and they eat them. But they also go down, once the fire's moved on, they go down and get some of the sticks that are still on fire, and they move them to a new spot to try and start the fire again, so that they can keep getting more and more of wildlife coming out. It's pretty hectic. Like by the time the fire had gone through,
hate them.
oh, because they just get spot fires everywhere. It was crazy.
Righto, last day at Dundee Beach. We're just going down to the pub for the last night, and then we're going to head to the casino for a couple of days in Darwin. Go and live the high life for a bit. Why not?
Can't wait. I need to wash my hair so bad. I've been rocking a bun for the last 4 days because Tom won't let me wash my hair.
Our water won't let you wash your hair.
Well, one of the downsides of living on the beach for 9 nights, I think. Yeah, don't get too much of my hair, but that's all right. I can do it at the casino. Can't wait.
You good? Check it out. Go to a hotel for 2 days. This is the crap I'm looking at.